Mobility aids. Introduction. Mobility aids help you move from place to place if you are disabled or have an injury. Select true or false. Correct. There are many different types of mobility aids that can help you walk or move from place to place. A brace is an example of an orthotic device. Select true or false. Correct. An orthotic device is a brace, splint, or supportive device that is used to support, correct, or align deformities. Are all prosthetic devices removable? Select yes or no. Correct. A prosthesis may be removable. Most prosthetic limbs are removable. Other types of prosthetic devices are permanently implanted, like an artificial hip. There are many different types of wheelchairs and scooters available to suit the specific needs of the user. Select true or false. Correct. If you need a wheelchair or scooter, a healthcare provider can help you determine the type which will be best for you. Thank you for using Explain.